going on, guys? I hope the wind's not too bad, but I just wanted to show you guys. So I got the Work Sierra Kais installed, and the coilovers. I got BC Racing coilover. I run BCs on all my cars, except the G. Actually, I don't have them on the G35. This is the new setup. I think it looks pretty cool. It still needs to come down about half an inch in the front. Along with that, we got a Tomei now. And I know some people don't like Tomeis, but I think it sounds pretty good. If you have stock cats, it sounds pretty cool. When you do a non-resonated test pipe setup on these with Tomei, I think that's when it kind of starts to sound a little raspy. Still can sound cool, but I don't know. It's not everyone's cup of tea. I'm trying to block the wind here. So it's just the Y pipe back. I'll show you. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, it sits pretty low, but it's not bad. We also did a full paint correction, so it's much better now. So yeah, I just went with the BC BRs. I've always liked the BRs for the street. I'll throw a few clips of me installing the coilovers in right now. Whew. Got these things all ready to go.
I feel like you're always down here when I'm opening coilover boxes. Watch your face. Watch your face. Where's my gummies? Yeah. Thanks, boys. All right. Figured I'd get a little POV action for you guys. So the front's done. Yeah, it looks cool, but it's got to come up like an inch, I guess. So we did a paint correction too. Look at the paint. Looks crazy. So let's get this done. I'm just gonna time lapse it. You guys have seen a million coilover installs on these cars. It's nothing new, so I'll get it done. In. Got this one in, gotta get the other side in. I gotta adjust the fronts because they're way too low. Probably pull them up this much, just see what it does. That Tomei looking nice. Love it. Need new brakes.
I'm absolutely loving this thing so far. Having a blast with it, so just can't wait until it's boosted. But yeah, I'll get some exhaust clips right now. I just wanted to, you know, give you guys a quick update on everything. But yeah, more to come with this car. I got some fun videos in mind. Definitely more mods, obviously. I mean, the turbo kit will be ordered soon. I still haven't decided on one specifically yet. Still have a few people to talk to. Man, these train tracks really kill me. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Drop a like if you can. No problem if not. I'll catch you in the next one.